Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Trend video. Guys, in this video we will discover how can you disable or turn off assistive touch on your iPhone. So simply guys, you may check guys, this assistive touch is showing here. So how can we remove this? So we can remove this very easily. So simply guys, first of all, what you have to do, you may just click here on settings of your iPhone, and then guys you may go back in settings. So here you may see that if you have latest iOS 18 version, then guys you may see that here the option of accessibility. So you may click here and then you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of touch. So you may click here on touch, and here you may see assistive touch. So you may click here, and now you may turn this off from here. Now you may check that assistive touch has been removed, so you may turn it off or on from here easily. So by all this method you can fix it very easily. So if you are unable to stop or unable to disable turn off assistive touch, then guys you may go back again and you may just open settings again, and then you may click here on general and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then you may go back again and you may scroll it down. Here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click here on reset all settings. So if you are unable to do this by all these methods, then go back again and click here on transfer or reset iPhone again, and click on erase all content and settings, and guys you make sure that you have latest backup of your iPhone data. And after this you may click here on continue and you may reset your iPhone. Then guys you may go back and then you may check your problem will be fixed, and now your assistive touch will be turned off easily. And now by all these methods you can fix this problem easily. So let's check. I have easily disabled this or remove this. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.